Algorand is coming home. The Blockchain Foundation, born out of MIT research, is officially returning its headquarters to the United States, setting up shop in Delaware, and signaling a new chapter focused on scaling real-world financial infrastructure. Alongside the move, the foundation introduced a new board packed with heavy hitters from finance, crypto, and regulation, including Abra CEO Bill Barhit as chair, former MoneyGram CEO Alex Holmes, former FinCEN Director Michael Mosier, Jito Labs CLO Rebecca Rettig, and Algorand CEO Stacey Warden. This isn't just a symbolic relocation. The board's mandate is to expand Algorand's US operations and accelerate adoption across payments, tokenization, and on-chain financial products already live in markets around the world. From real estate investing to cross-border payments, Algorand is betting that regulatory clarity, institutional experience, and US-based leadership will help push blockchain from experimentation into financial infrastructure.